What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to jump on and say happy Veterans Day before I go into this veterans event here at the school. Man, it was crazy. My kids were so excited about Veterans Day and having Dad come in with his uniform and I guess just kind of parade around and just be recognized with some of the OGs, the real veterans that's out there. You know, I'm still serving, still active duty, but for those that served and done their time and got out and moved on in life, like my dad, shout out to Johnny Sr., Vietnam veteran. I call it the OG of the family, that he paved the way for me, you know, to coming in, you know, as a E4 and serving in the Army, to now having a son who's a 05, you know, Lieutenant Colonel in the Air Force, and just all the success that I've been able to achieve. It's just been built on the shoulders of men like him and others that had paid the sacrifices before, that did a lot of the work, whereas that I can stand on the shoulders of them. So it's like super cool to just recognize all these veterans and the sacrifices. Y'all don't know the sacrifices that a lot of our vets have out here, you know, and it just hurts my heart to see like the homelessness, the suicide that we had, the suicide rate that we have with our veterans. And it's a lot of people that need help. And so today we just take our hat off, salute to those vets, those that serve, and just recognize them, because that's truly what it's all about on Veterans Day. So if you see somebody, you know, older gentleman, older lady that's a veteran, you know, shake their hand, do some kind for them today, do some kind for them every day, because they paid the ultimate sacrifice. A lot of them, you lose your family, you know, deployments, you know, you're away from your family, you're away from birthdays and memories that you can make with your family, serving this country, because democracy and freedom isn't free. The United States of America wouldn't be where it is if it wasn't on the backbone of the military, with us stepping in, taking a call, and being able, ready to go at a moment's notice to go take care of some guys that's threatening our security, that's threatening our great nation. And that's what we do. And we're always on watch, and just where is that we can live free in this country. And so a lot of people take that for granted. But if you see a veteran, thank them, because they went through some stuff, they did some stuff, and we wouldn't be where we are as a nation if it wasn't for our veterans. So salute to all the veterans out there today. I take my hat off to you. We're gonna go here and get with the kids and recognize the guys that's there. I'm so thankful to still serve, and I can't wait till Lord willing, I get to retire in a couple years and be one of those guys that say, hey, I serve, and veterans, and then hand it off to the young guys that's gonna keep us safe and keep the flag flying and just keep us free. So that's what it's all about. So go salute to a veteran today, and you guys be blessed.